Ko tā mai tēnei waka minenga, mi o rātou amuamu ki te āhuatanga, ko te rongoa ārai tētai take, ko te whakapai, kei te heria rātou e te āhuatanga. E porotē ki te ura I matua o Whanganui nei, e karere tō rātou ki te Pirimia.
People have had enough. People are, injured. The vaccine is not actually safe and effective as she's saying it is. There are hundreds of injuries, deaths also been reported.
Kāore tēnei mātua e wakai ana.
It's taken this long for them to say why they're not having the injections. We're also quite amazed at the information they have. Must come from Google, because I don't know anything about it.
Ei tā te Pirimia, kāore aia I te ōrere ki ngā wakapai.
Nor am I surprised. We are at a stage in the vaccine rollout where we are trying to reach into communities that may hold firm views. But we need to have those conversations. And just talking to some of our health practitioners, their goal is to talk to everyone, wherever they can, to try and have those conversations around why it is so important that people are vaccinated.
Ko te wakapai a Pirimia kei te wakawea te apuri e te Pirimia.
What she's doing is dividing, and, we should be free to choose. It's our body. I'm not taking the vaccine because, not that I'm anti it, there are no long-term effects. The data is not there.
I've never asked them for the deep information that these ones are bringing up. But I always wonder whether they know what they're bringing up. Because if you're bringing that sort of thing up, I think you'll act differently if you were actually implementing it. You shouldn't be doing things differently, but you should be doing things to prove to the rest of us that what they're talking about is right.
Ei tā te Pirimia, kei te wakapau pūtea te āhuatanga, kia tāi ai ngā rōpū aura Māori o Whanganui, te wā toro atu ki ngā apuri Māori.
All the way through, that outreach that we've done has helped us identify where there are issues that we can work together on, whether or not it's accessing resources quickly enough, and we've seen just yesterday more than $2 million coming into this region to support and accelerate the rollout again. That's on top of previous funding. But also where we can help on workforce issues, anything that's a barrier, we want to make sure that we pull that down as quickly as possible.
Kāre kore e take e wakaputaina ana ngā kāre aroto. Eruera Rerekura, te reo o te uru. Ko te reo, te take.